Ants are small insects that live all around us. They come in many different shapes and sizes. There are over 12,000 types of ants in the world. Ants are amazing creatures that work together in large groups called colonies. Each ant colony is like a big family with many members. The ants in a colony have different jobs to do. Some ants look for food, while others take care of the baby ants. There is usually one special ant called the queen. She is bigger than the other ants and lays all the eggs. Worker ants are smaller and do most of the work in the colony. They build tunnels, find food, and protect the nest. Male ants have wings, and their main job is to mate with new queens. Ants can lift things that are much heavier than they are. They use their strong jaws to carry food back to the nest. Ants talk to each other using smells called pheromones. They leave scent trails to guide other ants to food. Ants eat many different things. Some like sweet foods like sugar or fruit. Others eat seeds, leaves, or even other insects. Ants work as a team to find and collect food. When one ant finds food, it tells the others, and they all help bring it back to the nest. Ants build complex nests underground. These nests have many tunnels and rooms. Some rooms are used to store food. Others are nurseries for the baby ants. The queen lives in a special chamber deep in the nest. Ants keep their nests very clean. They take out any trash or dead ants. Some ants even grow their own food. Leafcutter ants cut up leaves and use them to grow fungus gardens underground. Army ants don't build permanent nests. They move around in large groups, hunting for food as they go. Ants play important roles in nature. They help break down dead plants and animals. This returns nutrients to the soil. Many ants also help spread seeds. When ants carry seeds to their nests, some get dropped along the way and grow into new plants. Ants are food for many other animals like birds, lizards, and spiders. Some plants provide special homes or food for ants. In return, the ants protect the plants from other insects that might try to eat them. Ants can be found almost everywhere on land. They live in forests, grasslands, deserts, and even cities. Some ants build nests in trees or plants. Others make big mounds of soil above their underground tunnels. Fire ants can even join together to form rafts that float on water during floods. Ants have been around for over 100 million years. They have survived many changes on Earth. Today, there are more ants than almost any other type of insect. Ants are social insects. This means they live and work together in large groups. Each ant in the colony has a specific job to do. By working together, ants can accomplish amazing things. They can build huge nests, find food over long distances, and defend themselves from much larger animals. Ants have a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. This protects their soft insides. They have 6 legs and 2 antennae. Ants use their antennae to smell, touch, and communicate with other ants. Many ants can sting or spray acid to defend themselves. Ants go through several stages as they grow. They start as tiny eggs laid by the queen. These eggs hatch into larvae, which look like small white grubs. The larvae are cared for by worker ants. They eventually form a cocoon and transform into adult ants. When they emerge, they are ready to work in the colony. Some ant colonies can have millions of members. The largest known ant colony stretched over 3,700 miles. It had billions of ants living in millions of nests. Ants are very strong for their size. They can lift objects many times heavier than themselves. If a human were as strong as an ant, they could lift a car over their head. Ants don't have ears. Instead, they feel vibrations through their feet and legs. This helps them sense danger or find food. Some ants can swim. They create air bubbles around their bodies to help them float. Other ants can glide through the air when they fall from trees. They use their legs and bodies like parachutes to land safely. Ants are important to many ecosystems. They help pollinate flowers, spread seeds, and improve soil quality. However, some types of ants can be pests. They may invade homes looking for food or damage plants in gardens. Scientists study ants to learn about social behavior, communication, and problem solving. Ants have inspired ideas in fields like robotics and computer science. By working together in large numbers, ants can solve complex problems. This is similar to how some computer programs work. Ants are fascinating creatures with many amazing abilities. They show us the power of teamwork and organization. The next time you see an ant, take a moment to watch it. You might be surprised by what you learn about these tiny but incredible insects.